gonna give a quick heads up for this video. All the microphones recorded to a single track, and we had a microphone next to the exhaust. So some of the audio is a little, we'll say, loud. So with that in mind, I hope you guys enjoy this video. They got the exhaust to shoot some wicked flames. Check it out.
Shit, I don't know, man. Last thing I heard, we were making some things go boom boom out of this.
We already sent this for exhaust once. The first time we sent it for exhaust, they just made it work with our headers. They were supposed to take the cats out. Didn't take the cats out. So now the cats are out and we're gonna try to shoot some fireballs. The rear below is shit and the front.
Come with Keaton. You gotta take that door card out, but you can come with.
Ooh, that door opens and shuts like poopy.
Oh, I'll save it for embarrassment.
Thank you.
Welcome aboard.
Prime time.
This thing is so bouncy back here.
Yeah.
Bouncy?
The 50 walls. Whoa! Honk at the dude. Honk at him. Damn.
That's all the honk you got?
That's what I'm saying. Here are the adaptations. Let's see where we're at.
Are you able to double check the tune that's on there?
Yeah. There you go. Good. I think it's too rich now. Remember how I was fucking with the fuel table? I think it's too rich is what's going on.
Yeah, now that it has no gas?
Yeah, now that no, because when it's falling down to past where I have the fuel timing at.
Yeah, it's getting all the way down to like 2500.
Yeah. Okay. How about turn it off? I'll get her figured out. I don't know how to. I gotta wait for her. It's easier. No. It's happening.
Look at Zay Lubin's thumb over there.
That's Landress's son, I think.
Zay Lubin's stem.
Oh. You get Lubin's stem?
I think so.
What's going on?
So you're making any adjustments?
I decreased the fuel a little bit because I increased the fuel. Try to get to pop through the cats, but it did not do what I wanted it to do. Alright, you good? Hopefully. Light. No way. Who's car alarm is that? Somebody in the parking lot. Oh, why is it trying to only pick up mine? Huh?
I was talking today.
Kind of crappy.
Tyler's E36 motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? Mitchell got done doing his computer nerd shit with it. Now it sounds like we back in the hood. And yeah, I love the way this is going, but I'm scared for my life. He doing his big one. Okay. I'm saying, not afraid for my life no more. It was alright. We got Mr. Super Slippery Spoke.